Hi, I'm Brian Ellerkamp with Quik-Latch.com, authorized distributor of Quik-Latch products. I'm here today to show you how you can mount body attachments to your car using our products, in this particular case, a front lip spoiler. So let's get right to it. This particular lip spoiler has been attached using 5 mini latches in conjunction with our new mounting buckets that have just come out onto the market. 2 on each side and 3 underneath. And the way that this particular spoiler comes off is very easy. Just push the button to release the mini latch. Once they are all released, you can remove the front lip spoiler. And in less than half a minute, you can have the spoiler off the car. Now what you're looking at now is the mounting buckets where the studs have been mounted into. I riveted the mounting buckets to the front bumper cover, and then I installed the studs into the mounting buckets. If you're going to be flush mounting 2 objects together, you're going to need these mounting buckets. Also, what you're looking at now is the other side of the latches, how I mounted them into the front lip spoiler. And I'll go ahead and show you how it just attaches back onto the car. Now this is just one particular example of the many things that you can do with these mini latches. I've had a lot of people using them for hoods, for deck lids, just about anything you can imagine. This is one particular example, and I plan on showing more in the future. Thanks for watching.